Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Choose 4 to 6 ripe fruits that differ in texture and color to keep the salad interesting. For example, 2 cups diced apples, 1 cup sliced strawberries, 1 cup grapes, 1 cup pineapple, and 1 banana. Wash fruits under cold running water and dry thoroughly. This reduces surface bacteria and preserves flavor. Trim bruised spots and peel when needed. Cut firm fruits into 1/2-inch pieces. Keep delicate fruits like raspberries whole, and slice citrus into segments for bright acidity. Make a simple dressing by whisking 1 tablespoon lemon juice with 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon plain yogurt or olive oil to taste. This balances sweetness and acidity. Stir in 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint and 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger for freshness and a slight bite. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper if desired to enhance fruit flavors. Toss fruit gently to coat evenly, then chill the salad 15 to 30 minutes so flavors meld before serving. Place fruit salad in an airtight container and refrigerate. It keeps well for up to 3 days, but is best within 24 to 48 hours. To prevent browning of cut apples or bananas, toss those pieces in 1 tablespoon lemon juice per cup of fruit before combining. Serve chilled over 1/2 cup plain yogurt or with 1/4 cup granola for crunch. For a protein boost, add 1/2 cup cottage cheese or 1/4 cup toasted nuts per serving, and garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.